It is question number 11. A and B appear for an interview for two vacancies in the same post. The probability of A selection is 1 by 6 and that of B selection is 1 by 4. Find the probability both of them are selected, only one of them is selected, none of them, and at least one of them is selected. Firstly, you write a note point. If A and B are independent, events, then A bar and B is also independent. That is, probability of A bar intersection B is equal probability of A bar into B. Second, A and B are also independent. That is, probability of A intersection B bar is equal probability of A into probability of B bar. A bar and B bar are also independent. That is, probability of A bar intersection B bar is equal probability of A bar into probability of B bar. Now both of them are selected. First part is probability of A selection is given, which is 1 by 6, and probability of B selection is 1 by 4, and first both of them are selected, means both of them, A and B, both of them are selected, means A intersection B is equal, since A and B are independents, then probability of A into probability of B, which gives 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, it is 1 by 24. Second part is only one of them is selected. Only one of them means A is selected, then B is not, or B is selected, then A is not, and these are mutually exclusive events and independents also. Then it is equal probability of A probability of A into probability of B bar plus probability of A bar into probability of B. Now probability of A is 1 by 6, then probability of A bar is 5 by 6. Probability of B bar, probability of B is 1 by 4, probability of B by bar is 3 by 4. Put the value. Probability of A 1 by 6, probability of B bar 3 by 4, probability of A bar 5 by 6, probability of B 1 by 4, then it is 2, 1 by 8, and 5 by 24, then 24 8 3 plus 5, it is equal 8 by 24 means 1 by 3. Second part, answer for second part is 1 by 3. Third part is equal, only one of them is selected. No, sorry, none of them. None of them is selected means A naught, neither A nor B is equal probability of A bar into probability of B bar. Probability of A bar means 5 by 6, probability of B bar means 3 by 4, and it is equal 5 by 8. Fourth part is at least one of them is selected. At least one of them is selected means probability of A union B. At least one of A or B, and it is equal 1 minus none of them. Means probability of selecting at least one of them is equal 1 minus probability of selecting none of them for every independent event. Then probability of A union B is equal 1 minus probability of A bar, which is 5 by 6, and probability of B bar, which is 3 by 4, and 1 minus 5 by 8, 3 by 8. It is answer.